I'm Lauren.
And I'm Mary Beth, and we're the dynamic duo that makes up GLO, also known as Get Littles Organized. Our course will assist you with building a life skills toolkit for your littles to access and build upon.
The earlier they begin learning these crucial skills, the easier it will be for your littles to successfully level up as they mature. That's not to say that you must be little. You're never too old to start learning organizing skills.
Our course is meant to empower you to build your A-team, #squad goals, and we truly believe you'll be amazed by what you learn.
Here at GLO, our focus is on littles ages 6 months to 6 years old. Did you know that you can begin teaching infants as young as 6 to 10 months old some basic organizing language and motor skills? It's true, and we'll tell you how.
We can't wait to get started.